To access your course in Blackboard, navigate to blackboard.ualr.edu or click Quick Links in the top right corner from the ualr.edu homepage. Then select Blackboard. You will be prompted to log in with your NetID and password or your T number and 6-digit PIN. Trouble logging in? Visit IT Services. Once logged in, you will land on the My Blackboard homepage. Your courses are listed under My Courses on My Blackboard. Finally, select the course that you would like to access. To learn more, visit ualr.edu/star.